its ingredient is milk, sugar, butter, cashew, etc. And it is very good for our health. If you wanna serve it, if your guest is came at your home, you can easily serve that guest, and he will be happy. And its price is only 4 rupees. And if you want to purchase, you can come and purchase it. As well as there is no expiry date in it, and I'm taking guarantee of 90% that there is no expiry. And if you want to test, you can test here, and you can like sub at your home. See, as I said that it is made under the observation. Observation means किसी की देख रेख में बना है. और there is like if you will mix in chocos, it is definitely क्या बोलते हैं, damaged, or you can say. But here we are not mix it chocos and all. Only we have kept cashew, butter, milk. Cashew is not damaged at all. Milk is also because of preservation it is kept. And it was butter, and butter is also good for health, so there is no expiry date at all. No, it is not expired. Whenever you break cashew at the tree, on that time it is fresh. Have you heard? So we have not mixed the damaged cashew at all, na. Spoiled cashew we have not put. The fresh cashew which was came from the tree, that only we have kept, and for that only we have made this biscuit.
You said that it will be prepared in the observation of a person. How it is possible? Who is the person that is observing only for the observation?
See, I am the owner. I have kept a lot of the people under my observation. I usually go whenever the biscuit is made. I usually go and check it. Either it is good or not good, because it is depend upon my reputation. If there will be any default in it, then my whole company will be bear for the loss at all. There is a advantage and disadvantage of everything, but disadvantage is like you cannot take lot you cannot take in a large amount, because it where no sugar as well as fat. You know what, whatever you want to you want to take pizzas, cold drink, you cannot take in a large amount, you can take only small amount. So if you every product have a disadvantage and advantage. You can taste it because it is crunchy in taste.
Okay, tell me the market price.
Sir, its market price is 5 rupees, but I am selling it in only 4 rupees.
Every company gives the only 4 rupees.
No, if you go for the shop, it is their for they are purchasing it 4 rupees, but they are selling it 5 rupees, not 4 rupees. But here I am selling the exact market price 4 rupees.
What is the MRP, ma'am?
Sir, 5 rupees.
So is there any discount only 1 rupees?
Yes, sir, only 1 rupees. Because it's a brand, sir. It's not fake. It's a brand.